This here is my other 1998 GTI VR6 bone stock. So I didn't do a lot to this car. I got this car when I lived in Sacramento. There was a couple who had a growing family and they wanted to get rid of the car. They were the only owners, and pretty nice find. Something like 221,000 miles. We drove it all the way down to LA in just something like 8 hours, and it was a breeze. Yeah, under my ownership, took care of basic maintenance and kept it bone stock. It was just too clean to, modify and take beyond its original form. So definitely enjoyed it for what it was. And no, you're not seeing double. That is another Volkswagen. I couldn't get enough of these at that time. But look at them, and they're so clean. I mean, you can't go wrong. Um, Pretty fair price to get them for, and they seem to be pretty popular here and there. So it was fun to have, modify when we want to, and then, there's always the opportunity to sell it, if you got bored of it or you found something else you wanted. Pretty easy to work on as well. And then we got pregnant. So we did a little photo shoot with my main Mark III and the yellow one that I still had at that time. But eventually it was up for sale. It's definitely fun while it lasted. So stay tuned. We're going to have giveaways coming up in the near future. Subscribe, like, and comment to qualify. And I hope that you guys really like what we have coming up. It's maybe just for a couple of clues here, you're going to see some car cleaning products, carbon fiber swag, and maybe even a set of wheels. But we're growing, and we just love to get the word out there and collaborate with these other brands and give you guys what you love to see.